Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. What? Say something. Say something. Did I wake you up? Say something, huh? Come on. Yes. Look at that little boy. Look at that little boy with his cute hair. Hmm? Hello, baby boy. Oh, what's wrong? You getting cranky? Oh, you're tired. Are you tired? Are you tired? I am not, Grandma. Are you tired? Huh? Yeah. Are you tired, Scott? Are you tired? Oh, I can see it. Oh, just like that. Just like that.